my name is Kristen Webster. I am a factory direct representative for Luxe Fifth Wheels. I wanted to formally invite you out to our Hershey Meet-N-Greet. That is going to be September 10th through the 13th. It's going to be from 10 to 6 p.m. It is located at 161 Museum Drive, and that's going to be at the Antique Auto Museum. We are going to have it as a catered event. We will sit down with you, do that one-on-one, go over any questions that you have. This really just cuts out that hustle and bustle of the big RV show. We will also be bringing this beautiful 46 FB toy hauler with us, along with 4 other fifth wheels. This one here, it's all automotive paint. There's no decals. Even our logo is going to be painted. You've got all independent suspension. You've got that garage, which is a flex space. If you don't have Harleys or things that you want to be taking in that garage, turn it into that second bedroom, that mother-in-law suite, or for the kids. There's so much that we can do. We'd love to sit down with you, talk about different customizations that we can do for what fits your family. Feel free to make an appointment online. Give us a call. If you just want to walk in, that is fine too. But please keep in mind, we are off-site from that big RV show. We'd love to see you there. Thank you.